In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your orders on Aliexpress using a few simple steps. Understanding how to efficiently manage and check the status of your orders can ensure a smoother shopping experience and keep you informed about your purchases. So let's dive right in. To start, you need to head over to the Aliexpress website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Aliexpress to navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. By entering your credentials, it's just a matter of clicking your way into a whole array of products and services, but what we're interested in today is tracking an order you've already made. Once you're on AliExpress and logged in, take a moment to locate your profile. Typically, this can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Hover over your profile and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, look for the option labeled My Orders. Clicking on My Orders directs you straight to a comprehensive list of all the items you've purchased through AliExpress. This is your hub for managing past and present transactions, among various other functionalities. When you arrive on the My Orders page, the real magic begins. You'll notice a listing of all your purchases neatly categorized. Scan through your list to find an item currently marked as shipped. Shipped items are those that have been dispatched by the seller, which means they're on their way to you. Clicking on any item labeled as shipped will bring up detailed information about that specific order. One prime detail to keep an eye on is the tracking number, which should appear prominently as part of your order details. This tracking number is your key to staying updated on the whereabouts of your package during transit. Using this number, you can go to the tracking service recommended by AliExpress, or use any of the popular tracking websites to get real-time updates on your package's journey. Remember, each seller might use different courier services, so it's important to follow any specific tracking instructions provided. And just like that, you're all done. It's really that simple. By following these steps, you'll never be left in the dark about your orders again. You can track your shipments and always know where your packages are until they arrive at your doorstep. I hope this guide was helpful and clear. Feel free to revisit this video if you ever need a refresher. And happy shopping on AliExpress. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out more useful guides and tutorials. Until next time.